Welcome student. In today's class we are going to study the functions of taxonomy. The four important functions of plant taxonomy are: first one is identification of plants, second plant nomenclature, third binomial nomenclature, fourth one is classification of plants. So one by one we'll see the functions of taxonomy. First one is identification of plants. Identification of plants is essential for any type of study on that plant. The identification is carried out by using published work or flora and by comparing the characters observing in the specimen with that of another, which has been described earlier. Such a identification needs proper keys, descriptions and illustrations. The morphological characters observed in all the parts in the given specimen are sufficient for identification. When the characters in the specimen do not agree with those described in the flora or in the preserved specimen, the specimen is considered as a new record for the locality of the specimen. The next one is plant nomenclature. Nomenclature means the naming the taxon correctly. So here the taxon means the any plant or any animal or any organism. So nomenclature means naming the taxon correctly. Once a taxon is determined by observing the character, it becomes necessary to complete the scientific naming of that plant. The naming of that plant must be as per the International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, that is ICBN. The name given accordingly can then be used for communication of ideas in respect of identified taxon. The nomenclature rules are framed by International Botanical Congress, that is ICB. If the identified taxon is new, then the new name is to be given to it. Such identified taxon are then added to the existing list of already known plants. Next, binomial nomenclature. In taxonomy, binomial nomenclature, that is the two terms, means the two-term naming system, also called as binomial nomenclature. Two names or two naming system or binary nomenclature is a formal system of naming species of living things by giving each a name composed of two parts, both of which Latin grammatical forms, although they can be based on words from other languages. Such a name is called as binomial name, which may be shortened to the just binomial, a binomial name or a scientific name. More informally, it is also called a Latin name. The next one is the classification. As per the plant, as the plants are larger in number, it becomes necessary to place them in a small or large groups on the basis of the similar and dissimilar character. The group of such plants are then arranged according to their levels into categories in a sequential manner. Each such a group and category has a name as per the rules of botanical nomenclature. When a group includes individuals with a similar morphological character, it is named species. When group includes similar species, it's named as genus. Thank you.